Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Ipi baro ginigilong ki khubor bam takasngi. Ka jingkhalam mau ba kala jia than dharali kumba 100 kilometer na ka Indian Army camp ha Harshil ha kapor kumba Shivji Saupsan PM. Ka Indian Army kalami kirki dashis pa san phongut ki sipai ki bapoi ha ka jaka haswa shipau minute bansdang no ya ka jingyaram. Haduk mentala pelaj im khat san na ne arphongut ki briu bar ki ba mensaw la penkit marmar sha ka jaka sumar jong ka army ha Harshil. Ka jing penyat kenra bat jing yarap kadang yai beteng bat la pendan kamnut ikilat kilenti ban syam bat pelaj ikinu kinu ki bedang sakun. Ka Indian Army kadang pet ngor bat long bakloi ban ai jing yaram ha kinu kinu ki rukam.
This is the location of the mudslide at the Dharali village. Around 13:45, a major mudslide had come in the Kheergad Nala in this particular village. The complete mid portion of the village has got swept out and the road has got blocked. The villagers on both sides have been evacuated by the army column which reached on the ground. Presently, the villagers have been asked to stay away from this side as the mudslide is still continuing. One casualty has already been evacuated to the MI room of Harshil, and rest of the efforts to locate the persons who have got swept away is ongoing.